Hi everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you. My name is Madhulika Rachahan, author, mother, green energy enthusiast, and a certified Lean Six Sigma black belt expert. In today's episode, we will continue to explore and deepen our understanding of design thinking. In the last video, we had spoken about successful methods to ideate and brainstorm and how to effectively conduct and ideate sessions. In this video, we will talk about Ideate stage and summarize best practices and brainstorming rules from Institute of Design at Stanford and the successful design company IDEO, which celebrated design thinking and ideation methods to select ideas. Now let's come back to brainstorming rules. At its most basic level, a brainstorming session involves sprouting related points from a central idea. Brainstorming is one of the primary methods employed during the ideation stage of a typical design thinking process. Brainstorming is a great way to generate many ideas by leveraging the collective thinking of a group, engaging with each other, listening, and building on others' ideas. This method involves focusing on one problem or challenge at a time, while team members build on each other's responses and ideas with the aim to generate as many potential solutions as possible. They can then be refined and narrowed down to find the best solutions. Participants must then select the best, the most practical, and the most innovative ideas from the options they've come up with. Some of them are setting a time limit. Second, start with a problem statement, a point of view, possibly a question, a plan, or a goal, and stay focused on the topic. Identify the core subject or the main aim of the exercise. For example, what you're trying to achieve. Are you trying to improve a certain feature? Are you focusing on ways to improve the overall experience? Condense the main issue into a problem statement and condense it into a short "how might we" sentence. We may even be able to synthesize this into a single word. Your ideas should always branch off from this central headline. Third, stay on topic. This is easy to veer off and take a lot of different direction during brainstorming sessions, especially when you're trying to be open-minded and unconstrained in your efforts to come up with ideas. It is important that members stay on topic. Focus is essential. Otherwise, the process can be very confusing, or ideas can become mulled and cross between solutions from other problems. Every effort should be made by the facilitator to keep members on a central theme and goal. You might even want to designate a particular brainstormer to maintain the thread and prevent team members veering off course. Defer judgment, very important. This is number 4. Or criticism during the process, including nonverbal. The brainstorming environment is not the time to argue for question other members' ideas. Each member has a responsibility to foster relations that advance the session. For this very reason, judgment comes later. So rather than blocking an idea, you and your other members are encouraged to come up with their own ideas that sprout off from those provided by the other members of your team. Fifth, encourage wild, wacky, weird ideas. Once again, as brainstorming is a creative activity, each member should try to encourage other members and create an environment in which they feel comfortable verbalizing their ideas. Free thinking may produce some ideas that are wide off the mark, but brainstorming is about drawing up as many ideas as possible, which are then whittled down until the best possible options remain. Sixth, aim for quantity. Brainstorming is effectively a creative exercise in which design thinkers are encouraged to let their imaginations run wild. So the emphasis here is on quantity rather than quality at this stage. Number 7, build on each other's ideas. One idea typically leads from other. By considering the thoughts, options, and ideas of the team members during the brainstorming session, new insights and perspectives can be achieved, which then inform one's own ideas. Thus, the team will continue to build ideas which hopefully become progressively more refined and targeted towards the central issue. Eighth, be visual. The physical act of writing something down or drawing an image in order to bring an idea to life can help people think up new ideas or view the same idea in a different way. The brainstorming session is more likely to evolve if team members visualize and bring ideas to life rather than rely on discussion alone. 9. One conversation at a time. Design thinkers or brainstormers should focus on one point or conversation at a time so as not to muddy their thinking and lose sight of the thread or current objective. Now, we will present some of the ideas and select some ideas from the ideation method. So once the ideation session is complete and the brainstorming is over, the ideas must be collected, categorized, refined, and narrowed down so that the team is able to select the best solutions or ideas and strategies from the shortlist. Some of the methods which can help you select the best idea which you've gained, the quantity versus quality, are as follows. You can say post-it voting or dot voting, 4 categories method, bingo selection, idea affirmity maps, now, wow, how metrics, 6 thinking hats, lean startup machine idea validation board, idea selection category, and criteria. Now, let's talk and brief about some of the best methods we've talked about in a little more detail. So, we'll talk about post-it voting or dot method, 4 categories method, bingo selection, and post-it voting. So what is post-it voting or dot method? In post-it voting, all members are given a number of votes, say 3 to 4 should be enough, in order to choose their favorite ideas. Ideas that are generated in the ideation sessions are written down on individual post-its, and members can vote by using stickers or markers to make a dot on the post-it note corresponding to the ideas they like. This process allows each member to have an equal say in choosing from the shortlisted ideas. 4 category method. The 4 categories method involves dividing ideas according to their relative abstractness, ranging from more rational choice to a long shot choice. The 4 categories are the rational choice, the most likely to delight, the darling, and the too long shot. Members then decide upon 1 or 2 ideas for each of these categories. This method ensures that the team covers all grounds, from the most practical to the ideas with the most potential to deliver innovative solutions. Now let's come to bingo selection. Similarly, the bingo selection method inspires members to divide ideas. However, in this method, contributors are encouraged to split ideas according to a variety of form factors, such as their potential application in a physical prototype, a digital prototype, or an experience prototype. So in the end, ideation is often the most exciting stage in a design thinking project because most unrestrained free thinking can occur within the given field. In the ideation stage, the aim is to generate a large number of ideas. Ideas that potentially inspire newer, better ideas, which the team can then filter and narrow down to the best, most practical, and most innovative ones. There are many great methods that can help design team during the ideation sessions. With this, we come to an end to this session. In the next session, we'll continue to explore design thinking further. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment in the comments section on what you'd like to hear more. Until next time, this is your host, Madhulika Rajahan, signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead.